long legs, we hit it from all ends, but it doesn't really matter cause we're running at all. Friends and enemies, you filled with energy. Won't stand against me, be nothing but misery. Hickory tat tat, a pickety foo. When I'm sitting at you, look at you, always be cuckoo. When I sing at you, look at you, always be fool. My presence can be felt from heaven. Lower!
Loud,
Wanna get louder.
when we come around, we
Set it on fire.
Old say,
Low riders.
Never old say,
Low riders.
so loud.
Wanna get louder.
When we come around, we
Set it on fire.
Old say,
Low riders.
never old say,
Low riders.
Turn up the instrumental.
Hey, Goa, you people can dance, right?
Yeah.
We be birds of a feather, man, we flock together. The more we be together, we get better than better. We be flying down south, whether summer or winter. Watch me coming up on what like I'm a sprinter. Wanna frequent you? Can I take a sneaker peekaboo? When I frequent you, can you bring a friend up? Yeah, busy too. Hard to prove. You can try to prove me, but I'm just too hard to prove. You can try to do me, but I'm just too hard to do.
What?
I'm crazy, so lazy, just like you, my baby boo. Yes, and now we know why they call me Mojo Jojo. When I come around, you see me going in slow-mo. It's a hood Santa creeping up with the fofo. Ho ho. Can you get a little slow, Joe? Pockets full of cash, ecstasy at the back with Johnson in the back. Spill the beats, my maniac.
and shout it out loud now. Clear your throat and shout it out loud now. Clear your throat and shout it out loud now. Clear your throat and shout it out loud now.
Lollipop in my hand, I'll be hanging with the band. Dress and echo, let's go, we be thicker than a pickle.
What?
Bottles in the club empty, now ladies getting friendly with me. Memphis girls Stacey, we look like Bobby. Everything now hit me with the number, honey. Don't you look like clear the shack? The mood is set. Sweet talking my way to the sweet. Put the song on repeat, dance till my clothes drop till you. So here comes the remedy. Nickel play the melody. Every time I rhyme next, you know it's a fine see-through. Oh, like you're looking at a wine, so delicious. Compared only to some fine leg. Watching from a distance, you're watching me more. Find a time to miss, feel like I'm a hero. Moment of a thickness at a kilo. But the moment I go missing, you're finding Nemo.
Clear your throat and shout it out loud now. Clear your throat and shout it out loud now. Clear your throat and shout it out loud now. Clear your throat and shout it out loud now.
Let's party like
We never been to one.
in the recent times. Let's get this done. No matter what,
we gonna have fun.
we keep on banging till we just begun.
Yeah, clear your throat like dope boys up in the hood.
Let's go.
I mean
One, two,
let's go. Let me take this beat and get to my flow.
Oh no, Maniac is back on this track. That's right.
Time to let's rock. Let me show these beats a good time. With this beat to explode, it's a beat to explode. We be giving you the feeling, but let's go. And I'm sure you all are eager to know who are the three finalists. Well, as we've said before, we had auditions in different parts of Goa, and now it is boiled down to this grand finale. You saw 10 contestants on stage. Obviously, the job of the judges was not easy. We have 3 contestants now who've made it to the grand finale. One of these 3 will become the Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2012 in the Konkani category. So without further ado, I hope the contestants are around, all set, ready, a few hearts beating fast, a few hearts skipping a few beats as well. But ladies and gentlemen, here goes the list of the 3 contestants who made it to the grand finale of Kingfisher Voice of Goa. The first name that I have here on this list is that of, any guesses? Well, I can hear too many names, but please put your hands together for Valentine Cardozo. Please come up on stage, Valentine, quickly. Well, the next name that I have here in this list, it's time to invite someone who was a part of Voice of Goa last year. Any guesses for the second name? Well, it's time to invite a lady. She might take just a little bit time to get here. Please put your hands together for Ivola Marcelo. Congratulations, Ivola. We'd like to see you here on stage. And there is one more name that I have here in this list. I'm sure a lot of people will be disappointed, but no need to be disheartened, because the fact that you made it to the finals itself is quite an achievement. The last name that I have here in this list is that of Ethel Fernandez. Their turn will come soon. But on stage, ladies and gentlemen, our first finalist, the first of the three finalists we have this evening. Please put your hands together for Valentine Cardozo.
Sopna moja evum sankityaku makasotaita davon wengen moja tuyo atashelya vengon tuka kaldantan mogal kota gotuzo tuje vine moja rabon zaina ogan tuja hauzala piso sang mogal maka audi eu gosto whoa 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 whoa
That was Valentine Cardozo, ladies and gentlemen, our first finalist. And time to quickly invite our second finalist as well. I know you all are looking forward to Lucky Ali, and he'll be on stage very soon. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite our second finalist of the evening. Please put your hands together for Ethel Fernandez.
I space o kazaraco kushal kayitso sai vor samogana bovo satvo sacramento kazaraco dogai mogana mi bontali ekame kakami basti tali so danse kame kak Viswashirauchi ogun kazaratso moga tuja dolan poita rupkar mozo moshakal sakpekta dista uzo tuja vine mojan ravuknezo Kopandor maka natso ya natso akwar ponatso saito ugras kelo yadi satso devanuts pesawan bolar puro so tan sopne dali kenakai exatili Vandais magni ai koli altara shi ubi keli mudio kalun chura men ketlo sukanto sotukan vadokil patso moropurianami mokurutso ogur kazaratso
All right, here she is, ladies and gentlemen, on stage. Voila, Marcelo.
Sodan cintali, vedeli muronre, Lisboa. Lisboa. Lisboa.
And I would like to request Mr. Govind Tiwari and Mrs. Binu Tiwari to please escort Your Excellency, the Governor of Goa, Mr. and Mrs. Vanchu on stage. I would also like to request Admiral B.S. Parhar, Flag Officer Goa, to please join us here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we started the auditions more than a month back, and finally it culminates today here in this grand finale. Of course, it's not been easy for many contestants. They went through several rounds, several auditions. We would also like to thank our judges. A big round of applause for them, for Shakuntala Bharne, for Sigmund D'Souza, for Maxi Miranda, and of course for Xavier Perez. They had to do the tough job to decide who will be the Kingfisher Voice of Goa. Tomorrow, of course, we have the English language finale as well, where our very own Edwin Fernandez will be playing with Stereo Nation. So we look forward to your company there. But now, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of the evening to declare the Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2012. We had 3 contestants in the final, but the Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2012 is... Any guesses? Well, there are not many choices, but please put your hands together for Evola Marcelo. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Evola as she makes her way to the stage. I'd like to request His Excellency to please give her the prize. A prize of 75,000 rupees. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here's Kingfisher Voice of Goa.
Good time, we're gonna have a good time. Get together.
2012, Evola Marcelo. A big round of applause for her, please. And for our guests on stage, thank you very much, sir, for doing the honors. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us here.
La 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 lila yo. La 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 lila yo. Oh, me and my friends, the king of good time. We're gonna have a good time. Get together. La 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 lila yo. La 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 leo. La 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 lila yo. La 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 leo. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 leo.